What's up, guys? Blue Collar Tour 2024 out here at the William Blount High School in Maryville, Tennessee. Getting ready to go weld with the boys and girls. Let's get it rolling.
In my opinion, they're the most important thing that makes the world go round, so to speak. You have to have those things to get by. All those trades that are out there that keep your electric going, that keep your water running. It needs to be what you want to do as a career. If you get out of high school, that's the real world. You got to make big boy and big girl decisions. If you decide that you're on the fence about going to a welding school, then that's what you need to be doing for the rest of your life. In my opinion. I mean, that's your career. That's your path. Do you want to have student loans and debt and go to school and learn even more after high school? Or do you want to go ahead and be out doing the trades and working and already earning a paycheck? I have students that make more money that have graduated and they make more money than I do. And they've just been out of school for 2 years.
Blue Collar Tour 2024! First things first, I want to personally thank you from me and our team. We could not be here today if it wasn't for you. You need to respect this man. Take his words for what he has to say. He wakes up every morning and every day and comes to this school through thick and thin, through your good attitudes and your bad attitudes, to ultimately help better you. He shows up every day to build a better generation because he believes in the cause and he wants you guys to have the best, right? So make sure you look up to him, respect him, and listens to what he says. He could be anywhere in the world right now, but he chooses to be here with you. So let's give him another round of applause. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate you and all the things you do to help better the next generation. Believe it or not, this country faces a national security threat. There's a lack of blue-collar workers in our country. We lack the tradesmen to build the houses. We lack the electricians to plumb the electricity, charge our phones, and turn on our lights. We lack the plumbers to run the fresh water, to get rid of the waste. And we lack welders to build this nation, to build bridges. I was told many times growing up that I wouldn't be anything or I would not be successful unless I went to college. And that is far from the truth. Most of our country relies on blue-collar trades to do things such as building the roads. If it wasn't for the blue-collar trades, this country would struggle, and we're on a fast track of struggling. So don't think that you have to go to college to be successful. Know that there are trades out there to work with your hands. I know a lot of men and women that are able to raise a family and take care of a family just by working blue collar. So get inspired, work with your hands, find a trade. This great country needs more of you. So don't let anybody tell you that you won't be successful unless you go to college. And if it's right for you, do it. But that's not the only option. Blue Collar Tour 2024!
Dude, William Blount High School, you guys came out to play today. Energy was great right from the jump in the morning. Welding competition went great. Mr. Suds, huge thank you to you. You showed us a great time, great facility, has some super slick welds in the welding competition. Got to taste a little bit of that Tennessee chili. Now, we're gonna roll this bandwagon up and head out to Charlotte, Tennessee. We'll see you out there.
Let's